Hello friends, welcome my channel Cooking with Nadeem. So once again I'm here with new recipe. It's really very delicious. So today I'm gonna show you it's very yummy recipe. So today I'm gonna show you it's really very good for health is how to make fruit salad. Yes, fruit salad. Fruit salad is very good for health, very good for everyone. So here I got some fruits. So I show you because all the fruits is very good for health. I got some bananas. Bananas got vitamin A inside, is very good for everyone, very good for children, very good for adults. And then I got some apples also. Apple got iron inside, and then apple got vitamin C inside. Really it's very good for health. And then here I got some mangoes. Mango is really very helpful. You're making the blood, and then very good for health. So here I got some orange juice. I will be use the orange juice for this salad. Orange juice is got vitamin C inside, is very good for everyone. So now I got some nuts, and nuts like almonds and cashew nuts. I will be use this in this everything, all the nuts, all the dry fruits, and then fruits I will be used in this salad. Really it's very good for health. So I will show you all the ingredients. So here friends, you can see all the fruits. Here I got some guavas also, very good for your digestive system. So I will put all the fruits inside. This one is like a fruit cocktail salad. You just put everything in the bowl, and then you can mix it well, and then you can eat. Anytime you can eat, you can put in your fridge also, everything you can use. So let's start. So here I got all the fruits. So now I will be put my apple in the bowl. I will put the apple in the bowl. And then I got the bananas I cut already, and then just put in all the fruits I cut already. And then here some guavas. Guava is actually very good for your digestive system. And then here I got some mangoes. All the fruits I cut already in the cubes. And then here I got some jellies or raisins. It's really very helpful. So all the fruits just put inside the bowl. And then here I got some dry apricot. I cut in the cubes already. It's really also very good for health, and then very good flavor, very nice. And then here I got some nuts. You can see here I got the almonds and cashew nuts, all the dry fruit put inside. And then I will squeeze some orange juice. You can see it's really very juicy. Just squeeze the orange juice inside. You can see really it's very good for health. Just squeeze the orange juice. Orange juice I will put inside just only just bit orange juice. You can put as your taste, because orange juice is actually also orange juice got vitamin C inside. So you can use a lot also. You can use orange juice, just you can cut 2 or 3 orange also, you just put in your salad. So here I got some spices, some seasoning, like I got some seasoning, is the premix. And then I got some black pepper. I just put inside. This one just only for salt. I got salt, just bit of salt only, and then mix it well. Just mix it well, and your salad is ready. Really it's very healthy, and then very delicious salad is ready. Just within a minute you can try at home. Is really very yummy, and then very delicious and very healthy salad. You can see I put some orange juice, all the fruits. You can see different. You can see very colorful salad. It's really very good for health. If you want to watch my new videos, so please subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching, and thank you so much. You subscribe my channel, and then please, if you want to watch my new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye.